In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Notion. Whether you're organizing your personal life or managing professional tasks, having a calendar in Notion is incredibly helpful for keeping things on track. Let's dive in and get started so you can take full advantage of Notion's capabilities in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Notion website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in notion.so in the address bar, then hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with an interface that's both simple and inviting, ready to help you organize your digital space. If you're a returning user, go ahead and log in with your existing account details. Notion makes this seamless and efficient. However, if this is your first time, take a moment to create an account. It's free and straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts, filling out your basic information to get you signed up and ready to roll. With that done, you'll arrive at your Notion workspace. Now comes the exciting part, creating your very own calendar. Look over to the sidebar on the left. You'll find a button labeled plus add a page. Click on it to start setting up a new page. This is where your calendar will live, so think of a name for this page that reflects its purpose, such as My Schedule or Planning Calendar. This will help you locate it easily when your workspace fills up with more content over time. Once the page is named, it's time to integrate the calendar function into it. In the middle of your page, you'll find various options to choose from under the database section. Here, you can either browse through or directly search for calendar. Once you select the calendar option, you're just moments away from having a fully functional calendar in your workspace. The next step is all about personalization. Quite a fun part. Notion allows you to customize the calendar to match your needs and aesthetic preferences. You can adjust the display settings, color code events, or even add properties like tags or statuses that help categorize your tasks. After you're happy with how everything is set up, you'll see a calendar view spread nicely on your page. You can start interacting with it straight away. Just click on any date and a new entry window will pop up. This is where you can add events, reminders, or tasks pertinent to that day. It's that simple. And there you have it, a personalized calendar neatly situated in your Notion space, tailored to suit your unique requirements. I hope this tutorial helps you seamlessly incorporate a calendar into Notion and streamlines your scheduling needs. Thank you for watching and happy planning!